Okay, good evening friends and dear judges. My name is Suhail Ali and basically I am from UP Board recently. I have been living in Delhi and on my qualification, so I am in 9th standard by a government school, and today my topic is relative about the human factors and which is going on naturally, failure to success. It is a big topic because we know very well that in this time the most of the stories what we are admitting and what kind of the MOD we are doing it all are coming from the failure to the success. What does it mean the failure to success? The persons who have got failed in their life, they are saying in the category that is the failure. But the big names about the persons who have got failure to success mean they have been checked out everything, but after that even they got succeed in their lives, because the most of the things in the world is there's no any kind of chances like for those persons who could not have done anything for themselves, but they have also got success in their life. So more and more example I am having about it. The big example I am having about the failure to the success, there is a man whose name is Sadio Mane. The most of person don't know the name of that person, but he is a world famous person and fourth best footballer player in the world. He is a fourth best universal footballer player in the world, and he has getting that kind of the skills in himself, and he is having that kind of skills that no one he got in each of his state. Each of his state, in education, in a football, he is a football player, in a home, in a eating of food, in a water, in a everything, in a living sense, he got failed. In a A to Z thing he was failed, but that person never gave up. Because do you know why he was always trying? Because if you are trying to yourself, so meaning the failure is proportional also to success. Mean the failure directly proportional to the success. Man, if you are getting a failure, never you should give out of yourself, because you know very well there are the many of the example in our surrounding to failure to the success. Sadio Mane was that person who came from the Western Africa, and you know very well that what is the condition of Western Africa, that there is no proper food to take people. The people are dying by their appetite. But the one most important thing we must notice that the person Sadio Mane who became most rich and is being a 10th most richest person in the Africa also, whole of the continent, just because of his hard work and just because of his like a positive attitude what he had. Another example if I would take, so we know very well that what is normally going on in our daily life when we are getting failure. So we are thinking that now I should check out because I have lost everything. But according to me, that also happened to me when I got failed in my life. But I never gave up, because I knew very well that if I would give up, so what kind of the life, what is the meaning of life? The real meaning of the life is that you are living the life with your desires, with your passionate and with the challenges. The real meaning of the life is that life doesn't mean as that you are doing the educated, you are being educated and you are just settling on a one level. Life doesn't mean that. Life has a different kinds of level, and you need to follow it, because the life is that thing which has given you to by the God, and you need to learn it as well. Because when if you are getting failure, never you should give up and never you should give up, because it is good to you. And more about that, the conclusion is simply is that like this topic I had taken by my surroundings, because in my surroundings I have said I have seen many persons, they are giving up so early, like they are getting failed in anything, they are giving up so early. So that was by my surrounding I took this topic. But altogetherly I mean for only one thing, that if you are feeling any kind of the challenge, so never you should go back behind of it, because the real meaning of the life, there is also coming the challenges is also a part of life, and the human factors are being completed just because of challenge and the what kind of body what you are making. And we should be always immersed to ourselves, because it is always good to us, and never you should give up and you should try always. It is a real meaning of life. And thank you for listening me carefully.